Hello friends, welcome back to Dainty Gives School of Decor and Decoupage. Today I just have a quick little announcement video for my Alice in Wonderland Decoupage book box workshop that's coming up this coming Monday, the 8th of February at 8:30 p.m. UK time, which is 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The workshop is going to last 3 days. It's going to be all online, live in real time. I'm going to show you how to make this exact box. Here's a little close-up preview so you can see a little bit of the details. So we're going to be working with laser printed decoupage papers. We're going to be working with homemade clay. So all of this is made with a special recipe of clay. Then we're also going to make the book pages themselves. So originally this box did not have any pages on it or anything like that. We're going to work with molds. Also forgot to mention, apart from laser printed images, there's also alternatives that I'm offering. So there's already a video in the secret Facebook group where the workshop is going to be with like all of the materials and all of the alternatives that you could possibly use. We're also going to be using liquid metals for gilding. And I'm going to show you 2 ways of aging. So on this book I used 2 methods of aging, one on the outside of the book and another way of aging on the inside of the book and on the pages as well. So yeah, if that sounds something that you may be interested in, be sure to check out the workshop on my website. You can sign up by following the first link in the description of this video or by going to www.dainty-gifts.com. And in the past 2 workshops, so the Venetian mask that you can see there behind me and this workshop, we're also introducing 2 new things in the workshop. So apart from obviously the workshop itself, at the end of the workshop, everybody that is taking part at the time gets put into the prize draw where I pull somebody's name out of the hat, and one of the people that takes part in the workshop gets this or the other copy of the book that I'm gonna make sent to them in the post. So as you can see, I only have 1 mask behind me. That's because the second mask that we did in the actual workshop itself has already left and is on its way to the winner's house. And the second thing that we're introducing in these workshops is the final review of everybody's work. So if any of you are signing up and actually planning to do the workshop either alongside with me or kind of shortly after, then we're also introducing a new thing where I create an album where you can add the pictures of your finished piece, and then we set a time and a date and we have another live stream together with everybody where I sit down and I go through the album and look at everybody's work, and if there's anything that I see that I can maybe suggest, or if I can advise something from the pictures that I saw, then I will do. If not, then you know, you just get kind of personal feedback from me. Rather than me writing a short little comment, you're actually gonna get, you know, you actually get like a personal review of your work. Obviously, I know that not everybody's able to do it at the same time as I'm doing it, so that's why we are going to schedule the final live stream for the reviews kind of a couple of weeks down the line, so that if you're not able to do it alongside with me as I'm live streaming, you can go back and rewatch it and then make your piece, you know, whenever it's convenient to you, and then we can review it. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say today. Invitation to this workshop, so Alice in Wonderland inspired book box. This is paper mache, by the way, and yeah, as I already said, first link in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys there. Bye!